In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Instagram that has blocked you as well in 2020. I know that this is a huge problem and many of you want to find out how to unblock someone that has blocked you as well. So the main problem with this is that when you want to unblock someone and that person has blocked you as well, you cannot even find their page. So I'm logged into one of my accounts right now, and as you can see right there, I actually blocked myself on the Y Halfway account as well. So if I just search for Y Halfway right now, let me just refresh this, or let me just do that once again, Y Halfway, you can see that it's not even there. But if I just do this, you can see that's definitely an existing Instagram profile. But because I actually blocked that with both of my accounts, I cannot even find it, and there's no way to unblock it by using the normal method. So right now, I'm going to show you how you can actually unblock someone if that person blocked you as well. So step number one would be to sign in to another Instagram account. What you want to do next, you want to go to the DMs, and you actually want to create a new group chat. So click right there, and then you actually want to add both of these accounts. So first of all, I'm gonna add this account, and then next up, I'm gonna add my other account. So these are both of my accounts that both blocked each other. Then next up, click on chat, and you can just say whatever. I'm gonna send hi. So what I just did, I created another group chat with another account of mine. So if I just get rid of these, you can see that I now have a group chat with both of the pages that blocked each other. So what you want to do next, you want to sign in to your account, which could be either of those. So for me, I'm going to just click on that one. And then you actually want to go to your DMs. And as you can see right there, you can now see that group chat. So if you click on that group chat, you can actually choose to stay in the group or to click on leave group. So you want to click on stay in group, of course. And then if you click right there, you will actually see that I blocked this account. Then you can click on the three little dots right there, and you can click on unblock user. Click on unblock, and there you go. That's exactly how you can actually do this. Now, if I go to my other account, which is the account I just unblocked, I can now either go to the DMs or I can simply search for the account, because I should be able to find it. There you go. And then you can click on unblock, and right there, that's exactly how to fix this problem, guys. If you enjoyed this video, if this helps you out, I would really appreciate it if you can leave a like on this video. I put in some effort. I would appreciate that. Leave a comment that this works. That means the world to me, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.